Open storage bag. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. Insert the other USB port into the power bank for charging. The red light remains on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Unfold the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Turn on the drone power first. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. External 8-bar calibration gyroscope. Unlocking drones with internal 8 strikes. Push up the left joystick to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Advance. Backward. Flying on the left side. Flying on the right side. The speed switch beeps once to switch to the low gear position. The two beeps indicate the high-speed gear. Enable headless mode. Drones will abandon their forward, backward, left, and right directions, no matter how it rotates. Drones will all move forward in the direction of the nose during frequency synchronization. Press the headless mode button again to exit headless mode. Electric camera adjustment. Activate obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will automatically stop when encountering obstacles. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Drones perform 360-degree rolling. One-click landing. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B markings. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Connect to app. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. Select the corresponding app based on the mobile system. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after completing the connection. You can now see the transmission screen. Pinch your phone and start flying.